How is your day going so far? My name is Yevhen. I work at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, a local Canadian appliance repair company. It's time to fix Electrolux appliances. This video is about repairing a leaking Electrolux EFLS527UIWO washing machine in the Old Tuxedo area of Winnipeg. I started to inspect and immediately found that the rubber door seal was covered in mold. This does not affect the functionality of the washer and cannot cause water leaks, but it's very harmful to the health of small children and seniors. It weakens the immune system of any person, causing allergies and all sorts of respiratory diseases. I strongly recommended replacing the rubber door seal. To identify the cause of the leak, I partially disassembled the washer and found a deformed hose that connects the tank and the detergent container. The rubber hose is the cause of the leak and needs to be replaced. After identifying the fault, I replaced the rubber door seal and the rubber hose with new components, ensuring a proper fit and a secure seal. After completing the repair, I ran some tests to ensure that the Electrolux washer no longer leaks and works properly in all modes. Success! The Electrolux washer is now fully functional and ready for further safe use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing an Electrolux washer or questions about any other appliance, shoot to us in the comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.